Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're making sangria. Now, I was inspired to make this at home after a trip I had to Spain, and this recipe will not disappoint. So, let's get started. Alright, so for the ingredients, you're going to need 1 orange sliced, 2 lemons sliced, half a cup of granulated white sugar, 2 bottles that are 750 milliliters of red wine, preferably a Spanish Tempranillo, and I chose these because I like the color on the design. 2 ounces of triple sec, half a cup of brandy, 1 to 2 cans or 12 to 24 ounces of lemon lime soda, and then enough cubes of ice to either fill a punch bowl or a pitcher. Alright, so to get things started, we want to slice up both our orange and our lemons. The best way to do this is to slice the fruit in half and then cut each half into 4 pieces. And then once you have all of those pieces, you want to peel away the rind from both the orange and both the lemons. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified when my next video drops. And stay tuned until the end of this video for a sneak peek of the recipe coming next week. I know you guys will love this one. And then you want to add the rinds of the orange and the lemons to either a large pitcher or a large punch bowl. And now with the fruit slices, you want to squeeze or crush the fruits a bit to release their juices, and then add those to the pitcher or the bowl as well. And just make sure that both the juice and the remaining fruit are all combined in the pitcher or the bowl that you use. Now you want to add the half a cup of sugar, and then shake the bowl or the pitcher to coat the fruit and the juice with the sugar. And then let the fruit sit in the sugar for about 10 minutes. This allows the fruit juice and the sugar to form a light syrup. So after about 10 minutes, you want to add the wine and then mix thoroughly to dissolve all the sugar. Next up, you want to add the 2 ounces of triple sec to the pitcher or bowl, and then follow it up with the half a cup of brandy. And you want to give it all a stir again until it's all well combined. Now, if you're serving this immediately, you can go ahead and add the lemon lime soda. But if you're going to make this for later, you always want to add the soda right before you serve the drink. Otherwise, it'll lose its carbonation and then the drink won't be as good as it should be. Now with the ice, you want to add ice to either a punch bowl to chill it completely, or if you're serving in a pitcher like I am, you want to fill the serving glass with ice and then pour the sangria over the ice. Another cool trick would be to freeze some of the sangria in an ice cube tray to make juice ice cubes. That way when it melts, it doesn't really dilute the flavor. And feel free to use your own wine of choice. I just choose the Tempranillo because it harkens back to its Spanish roots, and so the sangria becomes more authentic. And just make sure that each glass has a healthy portion of the fruit rinds in it as well. And just like that, you've made your very own sangria. Sangrias taste great when the fruit is left marinating overnight in the refrigerator. So right before you want to serve it, you want to go ahead and add your soda, and then the flavor will be even stronger the next day. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine, Volume 1, Finding Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in the description box. Thank you all for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified when my next video drops. And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make one of my favorite desserts, macaroons. You don't want to miss this one. Well, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine, and until then, peace.